Y'all know this plant has been giving me all types of crap for the longest, okay? It was either trash or outside, and I put that thing outside. And look at this. Look at this. It was down to a little nub. Like, oh my gosh. And y'all see this timeline? Oh, look a little baby out there, a little shoot. Oh my gosh, look at my little baby. Come on now. Come on, humidity. Push through humidity. But the time, it's growing so fast. Like, wait till y'all see this. Just wait. Wait till y'all see. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Oh. Shoot. Beautiful.